Hi everyone, welcome to Park Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve this nice algebraic math problem. That is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 120, where x belongs to the set of real numbers. Now here, first of all, we will combine the first and the fourth term and the second and the third expression. So this equation will become combining the first and the last expression x plus 4 times. Now let us combine the second and the third expression x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 120. Now let us multiply these two expressions inside the braces. So it will become x times x is x square plus x times 4 is 4x plus 1 time x is x plus 1 time 4 is 4 times x times x is x square plus x times 3 is 3x plus 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 120. Now let us add these two terms and these two terms. It will become x square plus 4x plus x is 5x plus 4 times x square plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6 is equal to 120. Now my dears, look into these two quadratic equations. Here these two terms are similar, so we will try to make the third term is also the same. So here we will make them same as x square plus 5x plus, here we can write this power as 5 minus 1 times x square plus 5x plus, we can write this 6 as 5 plus 1 is equal to 120. Now my dears, look into these three terms, x square plus 5x plus 5 and x square plus 5x plus 5, they are same. So here we will make a supposition. So let us suppose, let x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to y. So here in these two expressions we will replace the quadratic equation with y. So it will become, implies it will become y minus 1 times, it will become y plus 1 is equal to 120. Here this is a famous algebraic identity, a minus b times a plus b. So here we will use this algebraic identity, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So here this side is in this form, so we will change it from this form to this one form. So using this identity in the left hand side, this equation will become a is y and b is 1. So it will become y square minus 1 square is equal to 120. Now y square and 1 square is 1 is equal to 120. Now we'll shift this one to the right hand side. So it will become y square, it will become 120 plus 1, which is 121. So y square is equal to 121. Now here this 121 is the perfect square. Now here we will take square root on both sides to eliminate this square from the y. So let us take square root on both sides. So here this square and square root will be cancelled, so only y will be left, and here 121 can be written as the square of 11. So square and square root will be cancelled, so here only plus minus 11 will be left. Now there are two possible values of y. The one is plus 11 and the second is minus 11. Now here our target is not to find the value of y, we need to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we will go back to our supposition, that is y is equal to this one quadratic equation. So here in these two places we will replace y with the quadratic equation. So it will become y is equal to x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 11. And this one equation will become, again we will replace y with its value x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. So here first we will try to solve this quadratic equation. So here we will shift this 11 to the left hand side. So it will become x square plus 5x plus 5, it will become minus 11 is equal to 0. So further x square plus 5x, now 5 minus 11 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we will solve this quadratic equation here. So our last quadratic equation is x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and here we will try to solve it using factorization method. So in factorization method we will need such two numbers whose product is minus 6 and whose sum is 5. So these two numbers are plus 6 and minus 1, because 6 times minus 1 is minus 6 and 6 plus minus 1 is plus 5. So here we will replace this 5x with 6x minus x. So it will become x square plus 6x minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we will take x common. So it will become x plus, here 6 is left, and from these two terms we will take negative 1 common. So here x is left plus, it will become plus 6 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we will take x plus 6 common. So taking x plus 6 common, here x is left and here minus 1 is left is equal to 0. Now since the product of these two expression is 0, so here either this expression will be 0 or this one will be 0. So from here we will get two values of x, or x minus 1 will be 0. So it will become minus 6. So x1 is equal to minus 6. This is our first root, and here x is equal to, it will become plus 1. So this is our second root. Now we will try to solve the second equation, that is x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. So we will solve it here. So the equation is x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. So here we will shift this minus 11 to the left hand side. So it will become plus 11. So x square plus 5x plus 5, it will become plus 11 is equal to 0. So further it will become x square plus 5x, and 5 plus 11 is 16 is equal to 0. Now here it is again a quadratic equation, but since as we consider in the question that x is a real number, so here first we will find the discriminant value. If the value is positive, so its root will be real and we will try to find it, and if the discriminant is negative, so the roots will be imaginary, complex, so we will reject the solution. So let's try to find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So here the value of b is 5 and the value of a is 1 and the value of c is 16. So it will become 5 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and the value of c is 16. So it will become 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 16 is 64. So further it will become 25 minus 64 is minus 39, which is a negative value. So it's mean that the roots of this quadratic equation are complex imaginary. So here we will reject to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So we have only two possible values of the given algebraic equation, that are x1 is equal to -6 and x2 is equal to +1. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.